Okay, so now you need extra help. So if you're watching this video, it's because you need extra help and there's something that's just still a little bit too difficult for you. Okay, so I'm going to do 2, 3, and 4, but I'm showing you how to do it. So you're going to need to practice some more independently for our test and so that you understand the parts of a wave. Okay, so for number 2, our wavelength is 8 centimeters. So for number 2, I'm going to go to 8 centimeters. Okay, it's 8 centimeters, and this represents our wavelength. Okay, and what's the middle? From 0 to 8, the middle is 4 centimeters. Okay, so that's the wavelength. Done for that one. Let's go back. The trough is 2 centimeters, and the crest is 2 centimeters for number 2. Let's go over here. So I'm going to measure the crest, 2 centimeters. Ooh, wrong one. I'm on wave number 2. I should go to wave number 2. So the crest is 2 centimeters, and the trough also 2 centimeters. Okay. Going to draw my line. Excuse me. And just this helps me to draw my wave. Okay, so I'm going to start here. You always start your wave here. I'm going to go up, down, and down. Doesn't have to be perfect. Does not have to be perfect. As you can see, my wave is not perfect. This is the crest, or peak is another name. Peak. And this is the trough. Okay, let's do number 3 now. Number 3 has a wavelength of 6, a trough of 0.5, and a crest of 0.5. 0.5 is half a centimeter. So 6, 0.5, and 0.5. So for number 3, I'm going to mark 6. This is my wavelength. And the middle of the wave is here. That's 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Okay. And my crest is half. It's only right there. 1. This is 1. This is half. This is medio. This is the middle. 0.5 centimeters. Same thing going down. This is 0.5 centimeters. Okay. I'm going to draw a line to show me how tall the wave is. It's just going to help me. And then my wave starts here, goes up, touches the line, goes down, and comes back here. This is my crest. This is my trough. And wave number 4. Wave number 4. The wavelength is 3. Trough is 1 centimeter. Crest is 1 centimeter. Okay. 3, 1, 1. Okay. So my wavelength is 3. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to draw 3 centimeters. This is wavelength. Excuse me. 3 centimeters, and this is my wavelength. Okay. The middle is 1.5. I know this because 1.5 times 2 is 3. How tall is this wave? What's the amplitude? The trough is 1 centimeter. The crest is 1 centimeter. So I'm going to go here. I might have to practice this some more in the future so we can get good at it. And I'm going to go up, down, back. Okay? This is the crest. This is the trough. Okay? Which wave has, so let's go here, which wave has the largest wavelength? The largest wavelength. Okay, that's the longest wave. So if we come here, that's small. That's still small. It's getting bigger. And the wavelength here is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. So the largest wavelength is wave number 1. Okay? The smallest wavelength. Smallest wavelength. We can look at the pictures. So the smallest one is here. The wavelength is only 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Smallest wavelength is wave 4. Okay. The largest amplitude. Okay. This, if you still don't understand, I explain it in the vocabulary, the personal dictionary. But an amplitude for a wave.
Good morning, Charlestown High. These are your announcements for Monday.
So the amplitude is how tall a wave is. So large amplitude means tall wave. This would be a large amplitude. Small amplitude. Okay? So here it's asking what's the largest amplitude. And your crest is telling you what the amplitude is. Okay, your crest and your trough, because they are the same. Okay, this is 1 centimeter amplitude. This is your amplitude here. Okay, 1.5, 2, and 3. So which amplitude is the largest? Wave 1. Which amplitude is the smallest? So the smallest wave, okay? And it's one of these two. So here's 1 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter amplitude. So wave 3 is smaller than wave 4. So wave 3 has the smaller amplitude. Wave 3. Frequency is related to wavelength. High frequency, I like to say like this, high frequency and low frequency, long wave, small wave. Long wave, big wave, small wave. What's the smallest wave? High frequency means small wave. Smallest wave is wave 4. And the lowest frequency is wave number, which one's the longest? Is it 4, 3, 2, the longest? The longest is 1. That has the lowest frequency. The lowest frequency is wave number 1. Okay? Thank you for checking your answers and getting help.